In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then tap on All Services. Select Autofill. Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Finally, click on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current screen lock. Then hit Edit button next to Delete one and change wherever you want to. When you finished, click Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!